In this video, we're gonna show you how to use Tesco Whoosh. First, download the Tesco Grocery and Club Card app. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Then book a Whoosh slot. Open the app and choose Get a Whoosh delivery. If you are eligible, you will see an option to book a slot. You can also change your delivery address here. After that, shop for your groceries. Browse the app's selection of everyday's essentials, meals, and more. Add item to your cart. If you have shopped with Tesco before, you can also shop your favorites. Then place your order. Choose your delivery slot and payment method. Confirm your order. Then track your delivery. Once your order is placed, you can track its progress in the app. You will receive updates as your order is picked, packed, and delivered. And the last one is receive your groceries. Your delivery partner will arrive at your doorstep within 60 minutes with your groceries. So that's how you can use Tesco Whoosh.